Today guys, I will be playing Ants Pocket. I just saw this invitation and thought this would be fun to record for you guys. So let's start it already. Guys, I bugged the game, bro. How do I get back? Hold up. How do we do this? Go here, hold up. We go back to the game, bro. So I figured it out. Yeah, mine actually right now. So we're supposed to do this. So dumb. Now we're going to the front. Okay. Let's go. Where's this here?